Hey guys, good morning. I woke up beautiful today, you guys. It's the consistency for me, the consistency of this beauty every morning. But what's up, guys? So today I'm going to be trying another potato recipe for breakfast. Yesterday I did the stir-fried potato, and I did it using the FUCTIONAL recipe. But today I'm going to be using the CCME recipe for the pan-stirred potato. Yeah, I've tried this before, but I used this delicious recipe for our golden skillet potato, and I didn't get it right at all. It was so messy and annoying. But I hope that today I get this one really right. I'm using 3 of this Irish potato precisely, just because it's just a serving for one person. Yeah, and then I'm going to show you all the other recipe as we proceed. So let's make breakfast together, shall we? So you brought it inside. Whoa. Guys, so I just brought down this box from up there. It was up there, and then I just brought it down here, and I've not touched this box in past 4 years. It's been there, and now just look at the boxes here. Oh my god, I can't believe I have this bag. Guys, this bag was a gift from my dad. Why did I stop using it? I just stopped using it because it was like, I've used it for a month, and then okay, it's beginning to have the peel situation going on here, so I kind of just stopped using it because it was peeling, just that point. But my dad got me this bag when I was in first year in uni, that's college, so yeah, I think it's still good to go, you know. Maybe if I give this guy to know, like do like the old Ankara thing. Okay, I'm trying to be the anti-hot, so no. But we're going to clean this. This is another box I have that I've not touched. I think this one has a problem. I'm bringing out these boxes because, you guys, I am moving to a new city, so that's why I brought down these boxes. I need to know what's wrong with them, if I can travel with them, because I don't have money right now, you guys, to buy a new set of boxes. Boxes are freaking expensive, and I can't afford that right now. So yeah, these have to be cleaned up. I don't know what these are, but I'll check out. So yeah, look at that. And I was speaking about this is a gift from my dad, okay, but it's so old right now, you guys. So just yeah, let's clean this up. Ready to pack our bags. Pow. Come with me. Oh, so this is the box, all nice and clean, matte black. I used water. I literally washed it and dried it with a piece of cloth. So hey guys, what up? I hope you guys can see me. If you can't, I don't know what to do again, because I'm tired of raising this tripod. But yeah, fam, so what's happening is that I'm going to start packing, but I want to start with my gowns, okay? My gowns and my skirt, I put them here because I intend to check in this particular box. It's quite big. I'm definitely sure this is going to be a lot more than the necessary weight, okay? So that means I'm paying extra luggage, and then I'll take the other box with me as a hand luggage, because fam, this airport people, they're gonna be on my ass up, okay? So let's do this. Dresses first.
The one of the guy in question.
Guys, look at my hair. I came out to chaperone makeup with Patience. She's gonna pay me 20% of today's profit from this makeup.
You carry yourself.
She said
These girls are gonna have to pay me for me coming out a year to do this with them. Moral support. Which woman exposure? We exposure by me across.
give me to the world.
These girls. Hey guys, so I'm still doing my hair because we started late. And also watching Big Brother at the same time. Yes. Say hello, hairdresser with the glasses.
Do you want me to say hello?
You want to say
Hello to my
little friend?
What's wrong with you?
Guys, shawarma. This shawarma is juicy, you guys. It's tasty, it's sweet. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You got to go straight, come here.
And we got it at Emerald Park, you guys.